Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Chrome or a Chromium browser and an active Google Meet. Join the meeting now. Once in, click the three-dot menu in the call window to reveal the cast and more tools. Make sure Picture-in-Picture is available. Chrome shows it under Video Controls or via right-click on a video. If you prefer, install a PyP extension. Once installed, grant it the required permissions so the floating window can appear above other apps. Now you activate Picture-in-Picture for the desired video. Focus the participant or shared screen you want, then right-click twice on the video element to reveal the PyP command. Choose Enter Picture-in-Picture. If that fails, click the PyP extension icon or use the Chrome three-dot menu More Tools Picture-in-Picture. Once the floating window appears, drag to reposition and resize. This keeps the meeting visible while you switch tabs or apps, so you can multitask without missing content. To finish, confirm the floating window holds the correct feed. If not, return to the Meet tab and pick another video, repeating the activation steps. When done, close PyP with the floating window X or by stopping the extension. Make sure your meeting tab remains active to keep audio and chat available. If PyP doesn't appear, check site and extension permissions, disable conflicting extensions, and restart the browser. That single restart often clears GPU.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.